This is Clipchamp. Clipchamp is a web-based video editing tool similar to other tools like WeVideo that allows you to create video projects for any purpose, whether it's just recording your screen, maybe setting up a tutorial for how to do something on the computer, or maybe some more complex edited videos. Clipchamp provides all the tools that you need to create a range of video projects. So this is the Clipchamp video editing space, and there are a few main sections to point out. So over here on the left, we have all of our options for adding content to our video, whether it's our content that we're going to create right now, or from Clipchamp's library of content. Once we have some content to add to our video, we can bring it down to our timeline space, and then we can preview what the video is going to look like up here. So we can arrange pieces differently in this timeline and test out to see how they look in this preview. And then over here on the right, we have all of our options to manipulate the content that we bring into our video, adjusting color, audio, filters, effects, all of that fun stuff. So let's go through our left-hand menu first to see the different ways that we can bring content into our video. So first and most often used is the import media button, which allows you to bring in media that's saved to your computer. So if you have video clips or images or audio clips that you want to bring in that you've saved from somewhere else, you can use this button to do so. If you want to maybe record your screen or record yourself through your webcam, you can use the record and create option to create new content here. So it could be your screen, your webcam, or a combination of your screen and your camera. You can also add text. Normally text is laid over top of other content, which you can arrange in the layers of your timeline. Or maybe you want to set up like a title screen or something like that. You can bring in different types of text into your video as well. And the next 4 options all pull from Clipchamp's library of pre-added content. So you can bring in stock music and sound effects, stock video, stock images, and graphics. And these are all examples of content that Clipchamp provides for you to bring into your video projects. Once you have some content down in your timeline, you can start to add transitions to make it look more professional. And you can even set up a brand kit that lets you kind of shortcut to your favorite fonts, colors, and logos. So let's go through a quick example. Let's say I wanted to make a video I'm a student and I want to make a video about what an algorithm is. So I might start by finding some video or images, and I can go to those different options and search. And I want to compare an algorithm to a recipe. So I'm going to search recipe and see what I get. And I get some interesting options here. I can kind of scroll through. I like this top-down shot of some ingredients and tools. So I'm going to add that to my timeline. And maybe I'll add some text here as well. And I'm going to drag this in my timeline back so that it lays over top of my image here. And then I'll bring my cursor back so that I can see exactly where I am. And let's just change this to algorithm. Let's say algorithms. And I like it right there. I could also go to my right-hand menu and manipulate this text further. Maybe I want to change it from white to something a little bit easier to see. I'll go with orange for Churchill colors. And now I have a good setup for my video. Maybe I want to say something really quickly about this, and we can actually use a newer tool that Clipchamp provides called text-to-speech, which is an AI-powered tool that will let you type in a script and it will add voice to what you say. So let's say algorithms are like recipes. They provide steps for a computer to follow exactly. And I can control the voice, the pitch, the pace, all of that fun stuff. So I'm just going to leave it as it is and hit save. And it's going to bring that text-to-speech as an audio clip down into my video here. So let's try that out and see how it looks. So you may not have been able to hear that audio, but it created a very lifelike sounding voice to bring my text to life. Now I know I need to drag my image so that it's long enough to meet with my text. I'll do the same with this text over top of it. And what I've created is like a 10-second video clip that helps me bring an idea to life that I learned in class. Very easy to bring these pieces together. And when I'm happy with my video project, I can share it by link and manage access that way. And it is a Microsoft tool, so it shares that same way. Or I can export it. And I can choose what level of quality I want my video file to be, make sure I have the name set up the way I want it, and then export it. And then from there, I'll have a link directly to the video. I'll be able to download it to my computer and do whatever I want with that video file. So it's very easy to use Clipchamp to make videos both from the teacher lens and the student lens.